Dear student, now I give lecture on a vector group of three-phase transformers continuation. The previous lecture video, three types of vector group connections. That means three types of transformer connections of vector group of three-phase transformer we studied. So in this lecture video, this is the fourth type of connection, that is the delta star. So the previous lecture video we studied about the star-star connection, that is 0 degree and 180 degree phase shift, and then delta 0 degree 180 degree phase shift, then star delta minus 30 degree and plus 30 degree. Now we studied about the delta star connection. This is the dy1 and dy11. One means minus 30 degree phase shift, dy11 means plus 30 degree phase shift. Okay, now you can see the figure 1.22, the figure you see, this is the dy1 connection and phasor diagram. The first represents the connection diagram, second one is the phasor diagram. So why this is called as a dy1 means the phase angle difference between the phase voltage of the high voltage side and low voltage side is minus 30 degree phase shift, that is the 30 degree lag. In this case and all, primary side is nothing but the delta connection, and then the secondary side is nothing but the star connection only. So in this case, that means you see the diagram, the capital A2, B2, C2 represents the primary. So that is the delta. But that in the small a2, b2 and then c2 is nothing but what that means, all the three phase voltage, that means 180 degree phase shift only, but that means that means shifted minus 30 degree lag only. So that's why this is the 1 o'clock question. And then next one is nothing but the dy11 connection. The dy11 is nothing but what? It is the plus 30 degree lead only. Now you see primary also delta, and then secondary also, that is the star connection. You compare the both diagram. So the primary is always the same position, that is never changed. The only that means the shifting in the secondary side only. So the secondary side only, that means shifted is there. So the first one is that means 1 o'clock question, that is the minus 30 degree. Another the figure 1.23 is the 11 o'clock question, this is the plus 30. That means the phase angle difference between the phase voltage of the HV side and LV side is plus 30 degree shift only. So what is the advantages of these type of connections? So that means dy1 and dy11, that is the star delta connection of the vector group. So in this case, no distortion of secondary voltage, handled large unbalanced load, grounding isolation between primary and secondary, harmonic suppression, grounding bank, and then it is used at a 3-phase 4-wire system also, and then the cross sectional area of the winding is less at primary side, because already we know if delta connection there is no neutral, so that's why the cross sectional area of the winding is less only. The disadvantages is nothing but in this type of the connection and all, the secondary voltage is not in phase with the primary. Therefore, it is not possible to operate this connection in parallel with star-star or delta-delta connected transformer. And then another is nothing but the secondary voltage is shifted 30 degree with respect to the primary voltage. So, this is also will cause the problem for paralleling the 3-phase transformer only. What is the application of these type of transformers? That is the delta star connection 1 and 11. So that is commonly used in the suburb transformer only, and then commonly used in the commercial, industrial and high density residential locations, and then used as a generator transformer. That means the star delta transformer connection is used universally for connecting the generators to transmission system only. And then next connection is nothing but the that is the delta, that is the zigzag connection only, and then star zigzag connection. That's why they are putting D, capital D Z0, that means delta, that is the primary. Z means zigzag is in the secondary. 0 means is nothing but the 0 degree phase shift. Similarly, DZ6 means that is the 180 degree phase shift. Similarly, star Y is at 1, Y is at 6. Now you have to see the figure 1.24 is the D is at 0, that is the 0 degree phase shift delta zigzag connection. Okay, so in this case, what is the meaning of this one and all? Mean the phase angle difference between the phase voltage of the high voltage side and low voltage side is 0 degree only. It is similar to, that means delta, that is the star only. The difference is zigzag connection we are using and all. Okay, so and then next the DZ6 is nothing but the phase angle difference between the phase voltage of high voltage side and low voltage side is 180 degree only. 180 degree only. So therefore in this case what that means, therefore and all. So this is the diagram of, that means primary, and then that is the secondary only. So in this case and all, that is the connection, that means the primary is the delta connection, the secondary is the, that is the zigzag connection only. Similarly, next is nothing but the primary is the star connection, and then secondary is the zigzag connection only. This is nothing but, you already know, 1 means this is nothing but the 1 o'clock, that is the 1 o'clock position is the minus 30 degree, plus that is the 11 o'clock position is the plus 30 degree lead only. These type of connections is used and all, advantages everything and all. So the due to the zigzag connection, that is the interconnection between the phases and all, the third harmonics are reduced compared to star delta. And then another thing also, the amount of the copper also required for zigzag on the 50% more than the corresponding star or delta. So therefore this type of connections is used for earthing transformer also. And then the zigzag winding produces the same angular displacement as a delta winding. At the same time it provides a neutral for earthing purposes also. Then another thing is the interconnection of phases in zigzag winding affect a reduction of third harmonic voltages. At the same time it permits, that means unbalanced loading only. And then these type of connections are employed where the delta connections are weak. That time we can use the zigzag connections only. And next one is the open delta connection, that is the VV connection. Now you see the diagram, open delta connections. So in this case what, that is the diagram 1.2 represents the open delta connection of the transformer only. So the open delta means is nothing but one of the transformer is unable to operate in terms of 3 single phase transformer, then the supply to the load can be continued with the remaining 2 transformers at the cost of reduced efficiency. This type of connections only is called as open delta connection and VV connection only. In this case, 3-phase power supply is connected to the primary. At the secondary side, 3 equal 3-phase voltages will be available on no load only. Now you see primary side VAB, VBC, VCA. That is the 3 line to line voltages. Then IA, IB, IC is the line current. Similarly, the secondary side small ia, small b, small ic, small VAB, small VBC, small VCA. So in the VV connection means that is you see RYB, one of the phase, that means opened at no load conditions only. So therefore capital R YB, this is the primary side, small r small y small b is the secondary side only. So this type of the connection is used when the three phase load is very small to warrant the installation of full three phase transformer only. And then in this case the secondary side, that means a small letter, then the primary side capital letter only we can represent. This is the delta VV connection. Now we calculate the capacity in del. So you see the figure left hand side del, primary also delta, secondary also delta, not opening. This is the ordinary delta connection only. So in the delta connection, how to calculate the capacity? Root 3 VL IL only, but IL is the root 3 times of the phase current. But you see VV connection, one of the phases are opened only. So therefore this is VV connection. In this case we calculate the capacity is equal to 3 VL I phase only. Because you see the secondary side VL and then IL equal to I phase only. That is the line current equal to the current. So the capacity you see delta and then next that means VV connection only. So the delta capacity is the 3 VL I phase and then VV means root 3 VL IL. So therefore root 3 VL I phase. The difference between the VV capacity divided by delta capacity, we are getting the 1 by root 3 is nothing but the 58% of the original load. That means the three phase load that can be carried without exceeding the ratings of the transformer is 57, that is the 0.7 or that means 58% of the original load only, but it is not a 66.7% which was expected only. So therefore the reduction in the rating can be calculated as we are getting the difference is that is 15.476 only. So therefore now we can calculate the overload of the each transformer, that is the VV connection, the total load in VV connection divided by VA rating of the each transformer. So we can substitute the formula for, then we are getting the 1.732. And then what is the limitation of this VV connection? That is the first one is nothing but the two transformers in VV bank operate at a different power factor except for that unbalanced, that is the balanced unity power factor load only. So the average power factor in VV bank is operating is less than that with the load only. That means this power factor 86.8% of the balanced load factor only. And then the terminal voltage on the secondary side become unbalanced. This may happen even though the load is perfectly unbalanced. Then how to calculate the power? So the P1 is equal to KVA cos 30 degree minus pi, and then P2 is equal to KVA cos 30 degree plus pi. This is the 2 wattmeter method only. We have you calculated power in the VV connection only. So dear student, in this lecture video you clearly understand the delta star connection for vector group, that means plus 30 degree and minus 30 degree of three phase transformer. Next delta zigzag connection, and that means star zigzag connection for plus 30 degree and minus 30 degree phase shift, and then open delta connection and RVV connection. Thank you student for watching this video.